me. I English expert. You know, I this area new coming. This neighbor calling me house. I seeing how English is speaking. You come, we go see how she is. Okay, come. These people no calling me home, no door opening. Why calling me simply? No. We rich people, no door banging, only bell.
Hi guys, I Soundarya. I this house owner. You know, my neighboring new people coming. I call her home. You know what I heard? They recently lottery becoming rich. But I by birth rich. Today she came. We go talking to her and see how she is. Okay, come. Hi. Come in. Oh, nice saree. Where bought?
Oh, this saree 25,000.
25,000. My saree is 1 lakh.
This 1 lakh saree. Looks like 2,000 saree.
I bought this saree going foreign.
Oh, you foreign going?
Huh?
I foreign living only.
Oh.
I English expert. You also English okay speaking.
I English expert. I teaching everybody English. I going country teaching English. You know Trump?
Trump, I know.
He asking me English teach me. I
Oh.
say I am busy Trump. You go. My assistant coming and teaching you. You know Ivanka? She is also
Ivanka,
my
I know.
assistant teaching.
Oh. You just knowing Trump, I Obama very close friends, you know. Whenever US going, Obama calling come home. I going, Obama and I talking, whole day talking. Ayyo, Obama very close friend mine.
Obama old. Trump new president. Nice necklace.
Oh, this one, pure gold. This also gold, you know.
Huh, this also gold with pure pearls, costly pearls.
Pearls, I having so much gold and diamonds also I having 37 kg gold, you know, and so many diamond necklace and all I having, you know.
I having tonnu gold and many diamonds. Huh. Mangamma.
Oh Mangamma, ikarro ni kanfu cheyyage Mangamma.
Yes, madam.
2 cup coffee bring.
I bringing only 2 minutes.
Mangamma, na enkal mottam raalpotunnai Mangamma.
You drinking hot coffee?
Yeah.
Oh my god. We rich people, we not drinking coffee. We drinking only cold coffee.
Cold coffee.
Madam, yesterday one guest coming. No coffee drinking. That coffee in fridge only. Bringing that for you.
No. You people don't know cold coffee.
How you coming?
Me? I coming Audi car.
Audi.
Yeah.
That car my house friend parking.
Yeah, that my Audi car.
That car no Audi ring.
I liking rings so much. I taking those rings, putting my fingers.
Your hand no ring.
You know, nowadays people thefting rings so much. People thefting my rings. So only I know wearing. I having 3 cars, you know. I having Audi car, BMW and Lamborghini having that foreign house keeping. You know, India bringing all ice putting. So I know bringing. Foreign house only keeping.
You have Audi.
Yeah.
I have body car.
Body car?
Huh.
What is that?
That's a new car. No one knowing.
Oh.
Advance booking.
I know listening.
You know, I have 7 cars.
Oh, 7 cars. Why?
One for going office, one for going walking, one for going party, one for going shopping, and one for going dinner.
All telling. This cup? Nice.
I bought from Italy.
Oh, Italy this cup. This coffee very nice. How you do?
Fast kitchen going. Taking lighter. Stove warning. Tick tick sound doing. Taking milk cup. Putting on stove. Putting milk and 1 spoon coffee putting. Not enough. Again half spoon coffee putting. Burning, 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 burning. Then putting sugar. Then milk coming up and down. Slow fire down. Again fast fire, milk going up and slow fire coming down. Like this 3 times doing. Putting cups, giving you drinking.
Oh, very nice.
My homemade. Your husband what doing?
My husband. You know ship? Going in sea. That ship going, suddenly stopping. My husband getting down in sea and pushing ship going. That work doing. Your husband what doing?
My husband. You know aeroplane going on runway. My husband only pushing.
I having 2 ships, you know.
I have 3 flights.
Your house very small. My house very big, you know.
No, there are many rooms here. Come, I show you.
Coming. You guys waiting here. I go seeing and coming, okay? Bye. So guys, that was our video. I hope you have enjoyed it and
No butler English, normal English.
oh, I forgetting. You guys enjoying our video? Then
Liking,
sharing.
subscribing.
Thank you.